We didn't invent quality, but for 75 years, superior quality and customer service has been the foundation of everything we do. Since 1947, Polo Custom Products has been a frontrunner in innovative custom industrial sewing services, film and fabric welding, forming, and supply chain management. From our inception, Polo has designed, engineered, and manufactured custom products and components for original equipment manufacturers in the medical, fire and safety, industrial, and defense industries. We are a leader in our industry, and for 75 years, we have helped guide OEMs in the development of products that protect, preserve, enhance, and save lives. Founded on a steadfast commitment to offering the highest quality customer service and solutions, Polo has become one of the premier design and manufacturing companies in the nation. But this isn't just our success story, it's yours too. Thank you for choosing Polo Custom Products as your premier design and manufacturing company for 75 years. We look forward to partnering with you for many more years to come.